Hi everyone, welcome back once again to this channel. We are still continuing with our mathematics paper 2 revision, and we are going to do our question 9, which is our Euclidean geometry. Okay, question 9. In the diagram, PQRS is a cyclic quadrilateral. We can see it in the diagram, right? We are given that PS is produced to W and TR and TS are tangent to the circle at R and S respectively. We're given angle T is equals to 78, angle Q is equals to 93 degrees. 9.1, give a reason why ST is equals to TR. Okay, so every time when you're answering Euclidean geometry questions, make sure that you read the statement above because most of the answers are there, right? So look at this. 9.1 want you to give a reason why ST and TR can be equal. Why are they equal? Okay, so here's from just this statement given here, we can deduce why they are equal. We're given that TR and TS are what? Are tangent. The two lines are tangent, and we can see that these are tangent from the same what? From the same point. We have done a theorem which says tangent from the same point are what? Are equal. Okay, I think it was theorem 8. You can check it on our videos. Tangent on the same point are equal. So that's the reason. Because what? Because TR, TS, and TR are what? Are tangent at the same point, right? That is why we are saying they are what? They are equal. Okay. So 9.2, 9.2.1, they want you to calculate given reason the size of angle S2. All right. It's this angle there. Angle S2. Okay. We are given that T is equals to 78 degrees, right? And we are given, we want this angle S2. And we've just proven that this line is the same as this one. Or rather, we didn't prove, give a reason why that line is equal to that one. Look at this triangle, right? We can easily get S2, right? Because if this line is equals to this one, then we can see this is an isosceles triangle, meaning base angles will be what? Will be the same. So we can just start by saying angle S2 is actually equals to what? Is actually equals to R2, because what? Angles opposite equal what? Equal sides. Angles that are opposite are equal because the sides are equal, right? Because those two sides are equal. That's why we are saying they're equal. Or rather, you can say base angle of isosceles triangle, right? It's not a problem. Okay, now we can now go. We now have angle S2. Where there is R2, we know that is the same also as what? As angle S2, right? Because we've just proven that they're equal. Plus 78 degrees. Some angles of a triangle, they are equals to what? 180 degrees. Okay, by what? Some angles of triangle. Okay, they're supplementary. So angle S2 plus S2 will be what? 2 angle S2 is equals to 180. When we transpose 78, it will be 180 minus 78, which will give us 102 degrees. Divide by 2, divide by 2. Therefore, angle S2 will be equals to what? Will be equals to 102 divided by 2, which is what? 51 degrees. Okay, so we can just replace there by 51 degrees. All right. 9.2.2, they want us to calculate angle S3. Okay, they want this angle now, S3. Can you see? Okay, so we are given another information. That's why I said your given statement in whatever question, it's very, very important in math, right? They don't just give you things. So they also tell us that PQRS is a what? Is a cyclic quad, right? So we can use this knowledge, right, to say, okay, if PQRS is a cyclic quad, then this angle that incorporates S is an exterior angle, right? It will be equals to opposite interior what? Interior angle by cyclic quad, right? Meaning that we can say S2, which is 51 degrees, plus angle S3, right, is going to be equals to angle what? Angle Q by what? Exterior angle of what? Of cyclic quad. Okay, that's our reason. Exterior angle of cyclic quad. We can go and solve for angle S3. So it's 51 degrees plus S3 is equals to what? Angle Q, which is what? 93 degrees. To solve for angle S3, it will be what? 93 degrees minus 51 degrees, right? So our S3 will be 93 minus 51, which will give us what? Which will give us 42 degrees. Okay, so our S3 is 42 degrees. Otherwise, that's all for me, grade 12. Thank you very much for joining. Watch out for the next session. That's all for me, and goodbye.